Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to create poll in your messenger. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is simply tap open your messenger app, and once you have tapped it open, you need to now select a group to send the poll in. So once you have tapped on a group, you can simply tap on the plus like icon where you can find the poll option. So simply tap on polls, and now you can simply type in the information you want to create a poll about, or you can also choose the most likely to kind of poll and send it into the group. So once you have typed the question, you have to also type in the options, and once your poll is ready, you need to hit the create poll option. So after you hit the create poll option, your poll will be forwarded in your group, and this way you can create poll in Messenger. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.